Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please subscribe Al-Fanan Somali Musically. Guys, please subscribe that channel and listen to me. We don't use Somali tribe. With this we using Somali music only. Please subscribe. Basically, we always using this channel and please help us, Somali people. Somali, they are beautiful country. Somalia, my country, especially Mogadishu, I love them. I love the people and our president Hassan Sheikh Mohamud. And thank you for holding our country and Mogadishu. And basically, Mogadishu, I hope it survive. The people, I hope not die. I hope Mogadishu, I dreaming we coming back, inshallah, one day. The Farmajo coming back in soon. People, target Farmajo. It's not good to target all President Somali we expecting. Listen to me and all people and Javier Darot, stop talk about one thing. Listen to me, all Somalia, they are my blood. I love basically one condition. I have a dream. The Marlon Luther King Jr. he said, I have a dream. Somali Bikani, they're gonna be oil, they're gonna be no more civil war, inshallah, will be cream. Somalia, if the Muhammad Bikani president of Somalia.